Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and
So
do
I've
them.
taken out all my broad beans and I have planted my chillies. We're not having amazing chilli weather this year in the UK. It's a bit miserable, but that's what I've done. It's so much more space here. It's actually easy to walk down, which is nice. I'm going to do the same for around my other broad beans. This is my third time of cropping them, so I'm not probably going to take all of them, but I'm going to take most of them. They are being hit with some diseases now, like brown spot, which is there, and the aphids are out in droves, so I do want to get most of these put into the freezer and free up that space so I can probably do some like carrots or herbs or something around the edges. So we'll see what happens. But doesn't that look much different